10 useful English phrases for hotels. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you 10 useful English phrases for hotels. These are very simple and practical sentences you can use when you travel. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. I'd like to check in. That means when you arrive at the hotel and want to get your room. For example, hello, I'd like to check in. My name is John Smith. Check in means to register at the hotel and get your room key. Phrase number 2. I have a reservation. That means saying that you booked a room before. For example, I have a reservation under the name Ali Reza. This is very important. Always say I have a reservation so they can find your booking. Phrase number 3. Can I see the room? That means asking to look at the room before you stay. For example, can I see the room before I decide? This is useful in smaller hotels. Phrase number 4. Is breakfast included? That means asking if breakfast is part of the price. For example, is breakfast included in the room price? You can also say, does the price include breakfast? Phrase number 5. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? That means asking for internet access. Can I have the Wi-Fi password, please? Wi-Fi is always important. This is one of the most common questions. Phrase number 6. Could I have some extra towels? That means asking the hotel staff for more towels. For example, could I have some extra towels, please? You can replace towels with pillows or blankets. Phrase number 7. The air conditioner isn't working. That means telling them about a problem in your room. For example, excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working. This is how you politely report a problem to the hotel staff. Number 8. Can I change my room? That means asking for a different room. For example, this room is noisy. Can I change my room? You don't need to explain too much. Just politely ask to change. Phrase number 9. I'd like to check out. That means when you leave the hotel and return the key. For example, good morning. I'd like to check out. Check out is the opposite of check in. It means you finish your stay. And phrase number 10. Can I leave my luggage here? That means asking to keep your bags at the hotel after checkout. For example, can I leave my luggage here until 5 p.m.? This is useful if your flight is later, but you already checked out. Great job! Now you know 10 useful English phrases for hotels. These will help you when you travel abroad. Which phrase did you like the most? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.